Today I'm going to show you how to make Neapolitan cupcakes. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To your caster sugar add your butter and cream together until well combined. Then add your eggs and mix well. And then add your flour and mix until you have a really nice batter. Then you want to split your cake batter into 2 equal parts. And to one half add your cocoa powder. And to the other half add your vanilla extract and mix until you have 2 cake batters, 1 vanilla and 1 cocoa. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tray with cupcake cases. You want to put a layer of the chocolate cake batter into each of the cupcake cases. And then top that with the vanilla batter. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And then for your strawberry buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of butter at room temperature and 200 grams of strawberries. I used frozen but you can use fresh. In a saucepan over a low heat add your strawberries. And you want to cook for about 10 minutes until your strawberries have pureed and thickened. Then pop this to one side to allow it to cool. Then to your icing sugar add your butter, and using a fork you just want to press the butter into the icing sugar until it is as combined as possible. If you want to use a stand mixer, by all means go for it. I just like to do the way of no equipment. And then once your butter is as combined as possible, you want to add a little bit of your strawberry puree in at a time, mixing well until you have a buttercream consistency that you're happy with. You won't use all of the strawberry puree, but we will use the rest to top the cupcakes with. And then you want to top your cupcakes with your buttercream. I used a piping bag with a nozzle and swirled, but you can just spread it on if you want. And then top your cupcakes with a spoon of your strawberry puree. And there you have it. That's how you make Neapolitan cupcakes.